Hi everyone, my name is Christina. This is my bestie.
Yeah.
We are whipping up some super festive Christmas trees and we're going to show you just how to do it. So let's start,
We already
Gia.
made one.
Yeah, we already made one, as you can see. And what you want to do, this one's a work in progress. Let's start from scratch for everyone. Yeah, so you want to grab your frosting. So the first thing you do is you grab an ice cream cone. Grab your ice cream cone, and we are going to glue it on either the bottom of a cookie or a graham cracker. Which one would you choose today?
I found you.
Oh, good job. Yeah. Keep whoa, oh, gosh. Okay, yeah. Getting out a little aggression there, huh? Little frustration. What would you like to do on the cookie or the graham cracker?
The graham cracker.
Okay, yeah, we're good. Save some for the rest of the Christmas tree.
I'm okay.
What are we doing? Graham cracker?
I can only pick some sprinkles.
Okay. Now from here,
I mean ones.
we have to cross the tree. Ready? If there's any left in your bag. Would you like to use our cool wheel? Ooh, that's fun. I knew you were gonna like that.
Faster.
Yeah, anything that spins, huh? Okay. Alright, let's just chill with that. Stimmer. Okay, listen.
I must create.
Yeah, you are, girl. Listen. So our, what are these called? Ice cream cones are gluten-free, and these are what is it called?
What is it called? What is it called?
I don't know. It's like when you don't make it yourself. So you can do this a couple different ways. Let's start with lines for our first one, right? You start at the top and you go all the way down. Okay. Oh man.
And a man.
Sounded like it tooted.
We can make it. Yes, a lot.
Alright, stop pressuring me. Okay, turn the wheel. There you go. Oh yeah. Okay, listen, just one spin's good, girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you squirt it, man. Okay.
Can I please squirt too?
Yeah, do it up.
Squirt,
I mean,
squirt.
Ideally, you want to have enough frosting for the rest of your cones.
Where are we gonna confection?
Yeah, listen, man.
Confection.
If you want, the cutest thing you can do with these is you can fill these with candy. Is that really a fly right now? So you can fill these with candy, and before you glue them with your frosting onto your cookie. Cutest thing. Super surprise. Okay.
We made something.
That's amazing.
It's a Christmas tree!
I know! These are going to be amazing, Gia. So amazing. All right, decorate up, girl. So we have so many different sprinkles. Yeah, I don't know, but the dogs are going to be pumped. Pumped.
Oh, just a little bit of sprinkle.
I'm wondering if I should have put them
Buddy,
in a kennel.
sprinkle party.
Sprinkle parties are the best. Now listen, before you, you know what you can do is you can take one and you can go boop. You can actually boop them. Yeah, you can do that. Oh, here comes Opie.
Confection.
Confection. Here comes my doggies. Listen.
Too much.
No, can you ever really have too much? I don't think so. Now, as you know, we always have a bowl here of warm, sudsy water for if our hands get too yucky. So if you have a sensory kiddo, this is my tip and my trick that I use. Now listen, there's no easy way to say this, but I definitely, listen, your M is falling off. Your M is falling off. What can we do? What can we do?
Can you make the presents too?
Yeah, let's put the M back on with a little bit of frosting.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man. Oh, no, dude. Not on me. What the heck? Well, listen, that worked. Okay. So, like I said, you want to use this, not your mama's dress, if you need to. So, I've seen where they actually do like little hoops like this. Is that not cute?
I am a chef.
Yeah, that's cute, people. And then when you're done salting it with sprinkles, you can take this machine, which I've never used, and oh, it's snowing! You you squeeze it right here, baby. Yep, right, no, yep, right here, honey. Yeah, and you do squeeze, boop, squeeze, boop. Oh my gosh, if that's not fun, I don't know what is.
And a lot.
Okay, yeah, do it this way though. It adds to the fun of it. Yeah, okay.
It's Christmas. Is there any snowflakes?
Would you like to sing a Christmas song?
No, thanks you.
Did you know I made special choir in 4th grade? I did. And we sang Bat Mitzvah, The Rose. It was amazing. I could sing that now for you.
So we did not sing that.
Whatever.
What's happening?
Is it your boo-boo? Yeah.
Hey,
Dunk it in the water. I meant just your finger. But go ahead, do it up.
Butter.
Yeah, okay. Here, wipe them up. Yeah, all clean, babe. Woohoo! All right. So, listen. Okay, here we go. Look at this thing. Oh man, I keep doing that. Yeah.
Rock.
Rockin' around.
Say, Jonas said you get her. How to do it better.
So you really want to make sure that it's glued on maybe for a little bit longer. I'll be in. What the heck is going on around here?
And how to do it better. How to sit
You
down.
don't even care. You're like just rocking out.
I burped on my chef's hat.
You burped in your chef's hat.
Oh no!
Oh no! I'm gonna sing Frosty.
The next thing.
You're not my boss. Frosty.
The not.
All right, fine. Lord.
Splash, splash, splash. A big splash here.
Do the little ball thing. Add some texture, man. Texturize it up. That is so stinking cute, people. It's cute. It's cute. It's amazing. Here you go. Okay. I'm doing that. And I'll just keep gluing and frosting. Unless you want to do the frosting.
I made fingertips.
Ooh, that's fancy. Do you want, that's because they were wet. Okay, yeah, you could do that. This is, super messy.
Oopsie.
Yeah, oopsie. Maybe we should have worn some aprons. Gia, tell everyone who is this beautiful angel next to us. That's our baking angel. What's her name?
What's her name?
I already told you, do you remember?
What's her name?
Starts with a B.
What's her name?
Starts with a B.
What is it? Barbara.
Barbara. Yeah.
We have to help.
Yeah. Well, she does have to help. Yeah, seriously. That's
What
all
happened
right.
to my hands?
That's.
Wow,
the size.
they're sugary.
My head's falling down.
Whoa,
They're a little top on me.
Yes.
Should have waited a little bit more in the back. Maybe I should tighten it up. I would, but my hands are so stinking wet. Or not wet, but they're messy. I mean, does anything scream Christmas like a stinking Christmas tree? I think not. Listen, man. These are adorable. Hey, did I lose you already? Who are you talking to? You make this look so easy on Pinterest. You just take your little baller and just make little signs and you're good to go. No. I'm going to do a little boop. And,
Then I say boop boop.
I'm not,
Just making a recipe. Finally. Squirt, squirt,
Listen.
squirt. Squirt, squirt,
you're
squirt.
going to squirt less.
Squirt,
Decorate
squirt.
more. Who's going to eat
Just
these?
have to make these now. Please, we're making a Christmas tree. La 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 la.
I want to know why you can sing and I can't.
La 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 la.
That doesn't seem fair. Why can you sing? Why? Why, kid? Why? Listen. Listen. I'm over here. I'm doing the hard work. You're doing the decorating.
Look, there's her head.
Technically, she doesn't have one. Well, thank you for creating it. It's supposed to be for fashion. All right, listen. All right, here we go, man. Here we go. Here we go. Look at. I'm over here and I'm doing this stuff. What are you doing? You're posing. You're posing. Nope. You're thinking about something. Gia's thinking about
everything.
I love it. I bet you are, girlie. I bet you are. I love that you can swirl it with your belly, though. That's pretty amazing. Whoa! It's the most wonderful time of
I'm just swirling.
No, why don't these ever go the way I envision?
Ground.
I want to know about that.
Christmas. Christmas.
Here we go, kid. All right, baby. Whoa. Now that is stinking cute, people. And I don't care who you are. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. That's all I'm saying. Okay, well, listen. We didn't have to show everyone the side. I didn't do so well.
The boys can talk.
Turn it around, man. Turn it around. Boop. You fill this sucker up with some fun candies, and this is a treat for all, man. This is a stinking treat. It's snowing up in here. Yeah, would you like to try one of these fantastic Christmas trees? What do you mean no?
I am
Whoa.
Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig.
Gia, tell Anthony to try one of these majestic Christmas trees. Gia,
Peppa Pig.
tell Anthony to try one of our Christmas trees.
I don't
What do you
want
mean?
to.
They're everything you could ever want. Okay, look at. Are you going to decorate or is Mama going to decorate? All right, I'm decorating right now.
You're not recording, are you?
Yes, I am.
What?
I will cut you out. I promise.
It's better.
All right, fine. You want to try one? Try it. Try this one. It's a sugar cone. You love these things. And it's a sugar cookie.
Why is it? Oh, no.
Listen, we weren't given a how-to on how to eat the damn thing. Just eat it. Enjoy it. Tell them, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Do you love it?
I haven't ate it yet.
All right, folks. We hope you enjoyed this amazing recipe, and we will show you our final product shortly.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!